Alright, I'm going to show you how to play Battleship real quick with this paper. First thing you have to do is you have to place 5 ships on your board. These 5 right here. The aircraft carrier, that's 5 points along. The 1 battleship is 4 points. 1 submarine, 3 points. 1 destroyer is going to be 3 points. And 1 PT boat is 2 points. So I'm going to go ahead and draw them here, and then I'll go ahead and show you what I got. Alright, so now you see that I've placed my 5 battleships. And you can see my dots where I put them. This is my board, so my partner cannot see this. If I'm going to be playing against my partner, they can't see where my points are, so they don't sink my battleships. So now we have to label these things right here. So make sure you label the x-axis, the y-axis, and the origin on here. You can use your notes to do that. I'm not going to do that for you in this video. Here's how you play. When your opponent fires at you, you're going to mark an X if he hits one of your ships. Okay, so let's say that they hit you. Let me get a different marker here. I'll use a color. Okay, so let's say that they hit you at 2 and 6. So that's the first one here they hit me. So I will mark an X if he hits my ship. So I'll put an X right there, and I'll tell him or her, I'll say hit. So that means that now I have to say the one that they fired at me over here, I have to keep track of that. So 2, 6 is going to be my first order pair, and I put an X right there because they did hit me. Okay, so that's a hit. And then over here, and it's my turn to shoot. So now I'm going to shoot, and I'm going to say, I'm going to hit you at, oh wait, I put that in the wrong place. This right here is the fire at me. So he fired at me at 2, 6, and he hit me. So this one is going to be a mistake. If I fired at him now, I want to fire at him. I don't know. I'm going to guess he has a ship right here. So I'm going to say, all right. So I'm going to say 5, 3. I'm going to shoot right there. If he says miss, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark, I'm going to mark a dot when I miss, right? Write the coordinate in the table in fleet. Okay. So if I miss, I'm going to put a little dot right there. Okay, in pencil or in a different color. And then I'm going to say, all right, I shot at 5, 3, and I missed. So I'm going to put a 5. Let me see if I can, I'm going to just delete that one. So 5, 3, and I'm going to put an, I'm not going to put an M for miss or anything. I'm just going to leave it like that. The ones that I hit, I'm going to put an X on them. And the ones that he misses, I'm just going to leave it like that. So you can see where he fired and where he hit me. And I'm going to see right here where I fired and where I hit only. And where I missed, I'm not going to have anything on there. So on this side over here, let's say he knows my ships, right? He begins somewhere here. He could go for there, 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 or there, right? Well, let's say he says, I don't know, 3, 6. So 3, 6 is going to be right here. 3 units to the right. And then up 6. So he's going to shoot right here. And I'm going to say miss. So I'm going to put a dot right there. And I'm going to say he shot me at 3, 6, but he missed. So I'm not going to put an X right there. Does that make sense? Now it's my turn to shoot again. So I shot right there and I missed him. So now I'm going to shoot at, I don't know, 8, 5. So 8, I'm going to come over here to the 8 from the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to shoot right here. Okay, so he says, if he says hit, that means well, let me choose another one. Let me choose this one right here, 8, 4. So I'm going to shoot at 8, 4. I'm going to record that right there. And 8, 4 is sitting right there. He's going to tell me hit. So that means that I'm going to put an X right there where I hit him with a different color. Does that make sense? With my pencil. So I'm going to put an X right there. So now I know his ship has to either go this way or this way. It could start here. It could be going this way. It could be like the little PT boat like this one that I put up here. His PT boat could be right here, or it could be right here, or right here, or right here. Anyways, you get the gist of it. So that's how you're going to keep playing this. And if he hits you, make sure you mark the fleet status right here for each hit on your ships. So right now he's hit me once on the battleship. So the battleship is this one. I'm going to say, all right, so he's hit me once. This one is gone. He has to hit me 4 times so he can sink my battleship on this one right there. So let's say he figures out where my battleship is. He shoots right here and he misses. He shoots right here and he misses. So I'm going to be marking those over here. It's going to be 2, 5 he missed, and then he shot at 1-6 and he missed. So obviously, if he knows he hit me right there and he missed there, he missed there, and he missed there, the next thing he's going to shoot is going to be right there, which is 2-7. So when he shoots at 2-7, that's going to be a hit. I'm going to mark an X right there. Okay, so 2-7, I'm going to put an X right there. So now I know I got to go this way if I'm playing against myself. So I got to hit this one now, and then I got to hit that one. So when all 4 are gone, and this has been updated correctly, now I know my battleship is sunk, and I can say, you have sunk my battleship. So now they know that they don't need to shoot right here because I don't have the aircraft carrier, which is 5 points long. Because if I don't say that, then they might shoot right there, and they're wasting a shot, and that's because you're not being very fair. You're not telling them that you sunk one of your ships. All right, so have fun playing this.